Hi guys, I'm Katie Jane Hughes, celebrity and editorial makeup artist, and I'm here to create a sun-kissed sweet makeup look using the bareMinerals Bounce and Blur collection. This is the Bounce and Blur palette in the shade Dawn, and I'm going to use the color from the middle, which is called Misty Morning. I'm just going to pop it right in the middle of the lid and sweep it into the inner corner and then out. So now I'm going to build a second layer of this same shade, Misty Morning. I'm going to focus a lot in the inner sort of part of the eye, right in the center. And the best thing about this is there's no fallout at all because it's almost like a creamy, whipped texture that you can feel. You can literally feel that it's soft. This is Hazy Taupe, and I'm just going to press it into the root of the lash. I'm going to apply a little bit of Stormy Sky just to the outer part, but keeping the range smaller than the previous color that I put so I get this diffusion of pigment. Now I'm going to take the Expert Shadow and Liner brush. So I'm just using the point of this brush to sort of wing it out a little bit and bring it almost to the tail of the brow. With the liner side of the Expert Shadow and Liner, I'm just going to go right into the root of the lash with this deepest color to add a little bit more impact. This is like the perfect palette, I think, to wear in any occasion, but it's so dreamy to look at in real life. It's very, very soft focus, almost looks like a filter. I'm applying a touch of the shadow in here to just intensify it. And again, you can stop at any point that you want throughout the stages of this look to suit you. With the Complexion Rescue stick in the shade Desert 6.5, I'm just gonna use this around the eye just to add a bit more brightness and pop. And I go around the nose and under the eye with this brush, which is the Shade and Diffuse Eye. I'm using LASHTOPIA Mega Volume Mineral Mascara just to create a really soft, fluffy lash look. I'm going to use the Bounce and Blur blush in Mauve Sunrise with the Blooming Blush brush. I'm going to start on the apple of the cheek and just slowly bouncing the color on. And then I'm going to take it really gently over the highest part of the brow bone, just in there. So the thing that's really cool about this is it's a cream and powder hybrid that literally blurs imperfections on the skin. For a little bit more oomph, I'm just going to use my fingertip. I'm just going to bounce it on. And as always, it's clean and has a mineral-rich formula. So the smoothing face brush is definitely the brush to reach for if you want to build pigment. And then this is one of my favorite tricks. This is the Shade and Diffuse Eye, but I actually use it for concealer. I'm going to use the BAREPRO Longwear lipstick in Spice, and I'm actually just going to bounce it onto the lip with my fingertip. Just starting in the center, and just bounce it at the lip line so that I get a really soft blur. And that is the sun-kissed sweet makeup look.